I think it offers us efficiencies. I think people like it when, in this day and age, they want instant information, right? They want instant feedback. And it probably goes for us as a business too, and I think SmartLink gives us that information. You get that report every night at midnight, and you got bad solenoids. You're getting feedback on the systems that we have going on out there. Do we have some not functioning properly? We get that instant feedback. We can share that report with our customers.
There's so many features that the Weathermatic system offers to help to save water, to help to save time on techs, and there's just almost no reason to not do it. Conventionally, you have a lot of windshield time, a lot of drive time, a lot of unbilled man hours. SmartLink can cut all of that time out.
Before SmartLink, with checking all the controllers, like it actually took us all day to drive to each property if you had to change it, for instance, with holidays, or we changed mow days and you have to go there to every individual controller and change the days. Now with SmartLink, you could just pull it up on the computer.
If you're considering it, I think you have to go out there, weigh it, but in my mind it made sense, and I can honestly say from the numbers we get back, it's generating income for our business.